Welcome. Welcome.
Please.
Welcome.
Remain seated.
Welcome.
Stay calm.
Welcome.
And if you can, please enjoy
the show. I'm a walking Liberty Bell. Freedom ring through my stride. Freedom to be inside and be a slave to my pride and ride away to scream. Man, this love's so serene. I should probably shake it up just a little bit. I'm so not fine with content. I'm so in line with my stench. My career probably smell like piss, bitch. Switch hit on the line. You take a dip, I just dive into the shallow end, cause the ground needed a duck. Write a song about Philly while I eat in LA, cause my bars ain't constrained by my time and my space. Eating breakfast in LA, all alone by myself. All the pretty people around me reading books about self-help. Damn, I'm so lonely. I wish I knew how to be fine all by myself. Damn, I'm so lonely. I wish I didn't need to be around anyone else. I'm in a swan on a lake, thinking duck would be great. Be all alone in a boat made for lovebirds. I'll just pedal myself, I don't need anyone else. I think I'm fine just drowning in my dumb words. The sunburn on my skin, my melanin don't mean shit, cause I'm yellow in a two-color run world. It's all binary code, 1010. I'm screaming maybe till computer errors unfurl. I write a song about a goose while I sit in a swan, cause my bars ain't constrained by the bird that I'm on. Pedal boating in LA, all alone by myself. All the smiling people around me made me think I need help. Damn, I'm so lonely. I wish I knew how to be fine all by myself. Damn, I'm so lonely. I wish I didn't need to be around anyone else.